Hello and welcome to one and all. The topic of the day is anti-religious conversion laws, and my name is Lakshay and I'm an intern at LEX and Co. I'm a third-year law student at New Law College as well, and the topic is anti-religious conversion laws. Religious conversion is one of the most prevalent scams in India. Here, a community is put in the false belief that if they convert their religion, they will receive better and good things. Although it is not a major thing to worry about, but still it possesses a harm to the communities which have fewer members and may cease to exist if everyone tends to change their religion. Cases like these are commonly reported in areas where there is little to no literacy and people are very gullible. One such ordinance which helps with the anti-religious conversion laws is the Uttar Pradesh ordinance. It deals with unlawful conversions whereby misrepresentation, force, undue influence, coercion, allurement, or by any fraudulent means the religion of a person is changed. The ordinance further prohibits marriage when it is done for the sole purpose of changing the religion. Authorities have been quick to file FIRs against married couples who belong to different religious groups, but where one partner is converted to religion of the other even before the UP ordinance was enacted. Furthermore, authorities have detained these people on the grounds of coerced religious conversion. In such cases, several courts have safeguarded these individuals' rights and liberties, provide them protection from arrest, and establish laws that guarantee the rights of those who seek to marry outside of their faith. While authorities have taken a puritanical approach to women's fantasization and frequently trespass on the private spaces of two adults who choose to marry and live together, courts have taken a liberal approach to curtailing these authorities' puritanical attitude. Interfaith marriages may choose to marry under the Special Marriage Act of 1954. In some cases, although this process has its own challenges and concerns for these couples, the 30-day notice of intended marriage 30 that the parties must provide is one of the most significant obstacles. This time of notice intended to elicit any objections to the marriage within 30 days following the first publication of the notice, after which the marriage will be permitted to be solemnized. Section 5 of the SMA is currently being challenged in Supreme Court on the basis of it violates the right to equality. Interfaith couples encounter a lot of criticism from society in general, but they also face a lot of prosecution from government officials, even if they choose to marry according to the SMA. Furthermore, the 30-day notice period, which includes public notice, the couple's contact, and residential information, is frequently used to harass interfaith couples. Unfortunately, in numerous places, it is common practice to summon couples and often their parents to the police station, especially in situations of interreligious marriages, and to provide notice of a couple's marriage to their parents and residences. Anti-religious conversion laws, which were common in the past, are now being enacted in a frenzy across the country, causing widespread fear among the public, despite the fact that the existing precedents occasionally contradict this anti-religious conversion legislation. They still exist and being promptly implemented. It is very difficult for interfaith couples to form marriage alliances without being government residents. And even if one own desire to marry under the SMA, there are a number of issues to consider. While existing laws can be frightening, there is hope that as part of the various courts will strike down portions that are unconstitutional and against the public interest. The public faith lies in India's different courts, which have rescued distressed couples and people in the past, ensuring that interfaith couples can marry and live together peacefully without encountering hostility and intimidation from authorities or even their own family members. This is all for anti-religious conversion laws. Thank you and have a great day.